Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover unsaved document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word, and first of all, if we want to recover unsaved document, we need to go to the file menu here, and then we're going to go to the open, and then here guys, you will see recover unsaved documents. Just click on this option, and then you can choose a document you want to recover. As you can see that these are unsaved document from Microsoft Word, and for example, I'm going to select this one. I'm just going to click on open. Okay, and then I'm going to click on save as to save this document to my device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recover unsaved document in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.